ọ bụ na Evangelist Ebuka Obi na-anụrụ m okwu ihe mgbara ete aka enyego akụ Zion oche azụ na that ministry. Ọ bụ na ọ bụ onye na mebi na enye advice na o nwere ike ọ dị pick call. Someone like akụ Zion aka enyego oche azụ na Zion ministry, because all this
for a long time.
Starting from beginning of last year, ending of last 2 years, ending of last 2 years, 2023, 2024, and now, Akụ Zion bụ the main reason why people ji akpara Ebuka Obi. Ọkwa nọ na live video, let them record it. None on Lagos. Akụ Zion is the main reason why people ji akpara Ebuka Obi. Why? Because I have come close to Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I have to go one-on-one. I go one-on-one. Go mgbe I gara church when he didn't even believe. He gbasara the medicine na agbaghị aka ebe mkpọ I bịa I not there. The Western Japan, this man they were very quiet and gentle. Master, yes, okay, very quiet and gentle. But people get people also around the way with. I met live video today, never not about them, not tell them they're back and legacy. I say when he gave me because I did not insult anybody. Now, always young people say, who are you to tell him? If these are the people I could say on the room as soldiers. Food soldiers on the internet. Food soldiers or groomga. Which is very, very bad. Aras, what am I person talk. I'm a blogger. When I say anything on social media, I almost download the video, react on it. As long as I did not insult you, as long as I did not say evil against you, something that your platform posted, I reposted too. I want to insult and I can never insult somebody that does not insult me. But it is my duty to carry any video which I like. If I wish I carry, then it's going to be the video. Guy be one more for the whole year. Can have a video about your ministry. I will carry the video because this is my job. I am not the only blogger on the internet. For the fact that I take my time not to put anybody picture. I don't keep picture money. Any of my video. Oh yeah, they wouldn't come there with them. So many people really want to see another side. But at the end, God will take the glory. People cannot fight Zion. I can never fight Zion, and I don't fight Zion. Come on, it's high time. I get only he post 4 hours ago. I read that post and I was very. In fact, I love that post. It's just like what I'm just saying now. People need to regulate the way they talk to people online. But therefore, somebody that is not your daddy GO or your man of God or your evangelist, anybody go instruction or advice as one name, be you pastor or reverend father or another brother in the Lord, who can minister somewhere, who had talk to your own. Is that the attribute of a Christian? I believe, and they hopefully know well that Open Evangelist Ebuka Obi and got through people's comments on how the kind of insult. In this life, what is social media? Social media is anything you don't want people to analyze, don't post it. That is what I understand by social media. Anything you don't want people to talk about, then don't post it. But as long as that is surface on the internet, you posted it for people to air their opinion. And airing of opinion without insult does not have anything to do with Palace of Justice prison. You know, when my wife to make one car with the branch, only have my wife just because I use my wife page to post something. And he tell me that now, even if I want to give my life to Christ today and see all those insults, he can say now, You can still come on. Someone is not fight. I can never fight a group. It's not possible. I don't want to fight a group, but people now put it in one angle, in another dimension. All Bruna see download this part now as you put on. All Bruna Evangelist Ebuka Obi put on an altar. Now I go here. We see all those people fighting for me no go work na akpari them mad. Stop it. That any day akpari them mad because of me. Na abumonu yeso. If under 24 hours internet ya joy.
Oh, is it?
Amara na ọ bụ na evangelist jiri aka wee kwuo si ndị a na-akparịgasị ndị mmadụ because of me na ọ bụ na people bugoro m ebubo will happen ha because it was written in Matthew chapter 7 also 8 beatitude when men shall review you and shall say all manner of evil against you, rejoice and be exceedingly glad because thy reward is in heaven. If una since people believe and respect the word of the prophets, I believe so much that if prophets come on altar on Sunday or Monday or Tuesday, anytime in a program, or even open heaven, where all these people no gonna marry people, stop it. This is not what the Bible teaches us. This is not what the Holy Spirit teaches us. This is not the word the Catholic is teaching. To be insulting people, even to the extent that insulting the senior Reverend Father, insulting even if not bishop there today, negating the model, they will insult that bishop. Many people think that I am fighting Zion. It's a very big lie. I am not fighting Zion, and I can never fight Zion. Why? Because I am fighting the hooligans in Zion, not Zion himself. I am fighting people that are demons that are using